Hello. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale CAADX 105-2020 model year. SuperX geometry and CAAD-12 inspired features make CAADX the perfect first cyclocross bike, backup pit bike, versatile super-commuter or all-road adventurer. This bike equipped with a SmartForm C2 Alloy frame, and reliable fork full carbon. And Shimano 105 GS high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano 105 Hydro Disc. Cannondale CAADX 105 equipped with good tires Schwalbe CX Comp. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.